I let's clear one doubt. It's a doubt from Mayuk. So there is a magnetic field. Okay. So magnetic field, we know magnetic field means proportional to current. Okay. As it is, the current are and coils are proportionally 120-degree phase apart. Okay. Now if current 120-degree phase apart, then uh, H, the instantaneous magnetic field जो that is also 120-degree phase apart. Okay, let's consider H A equal to H sin omega t, H B equal to H sin omega t minus 120 degree, H C is H sin omega t plus 90 degree. Here is this one red color one B, and this one H A, and this one H C. So as we know that this one is completing one cycle. If we take this omega t in this reference, and this is H. Okay. Now if the frequency is 50 Hz, then omega will be 124 rad per second, whatever. Then the cycle will, if it may be in omega t or simply t. Okay. If frequency is known, then t will be how much? For this completing one cycle means for 50 Hz, the time will be 20 millisecond. Okay. Whatever. To complete up to here, how much time will take? For this 10 millisecond, for this 5 millisecond, in such way. Now see what I am showing, that all the time the resultant R will be 3 times of H. Okay, 3 by 2 times of H. Okay, and that is also will be time varying. Okay, now how it is will be showing. So clearly, suppose here we are taking here in the this axis omega t. Okay. So if it is omega t, it will be definitely in angle. If it is angle omega t, it is 120 degree. So it will be also in angle. Okay. Suppose any arbitrary point. Suppose we are taking here, somewhere here. So at omega t equal to pi by 2, that means HA means how much value? Sin 90 degree means H. Okay. And HB means how? H sin 90 degree minus 20 degree, minus sin minus 30 degree means HB is minus half of H, and AC is minus half of H. AC also sin omega t how much? 90 degree plus 120 degree, that means sin 90 degree plus 120 degree means what? 220. Then sin 220 is nothing but minus half. So here if we present in this way, okay, these are also rotating in the these are also rotating, but here in current these are lagging and leading. Okay, but here in magnetic fields not like current. Okay, as I explained, as a river, one river. Okay, here it is summiting and we are getting one point. Okay, flux. So here for R, from Y, from B, R Y B, we are getting flux from this R phase, we are getting flux from Y, we are getting flux from B, and resulting we will be getting resulting flux there. But in case of current are individual for all only, means if the coil is there, current means current is flowing for that particular coil, current is flowing for that particular point. So current and flux is a different thing. Okay, now if H, suppose we are taking this is a reference phase, so here it will be how much for this particular instant, omega t equal to pi by 2 H, and for B phase it is how much, minus negative. So A, B, C. So if it is B, then resultant actual will be in what direction? In this way, na? H, sorry, for B in this way, sorry, for B in this way, positive H, because it is negative value, so it will be at half H, and for this C also same, half H. So now this angle and this angle, how much? If it is, how much will be? It will be how much? It is 120 degree. This will be obviously 60 degree. So this also 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Okay, and this is also 60 degree. Now we are taking a component. So for this, how much will be the component? Here half is sine 60 degree. Here also half is sine 60 degree. So this component and this component will cancel out, and here how much will be? Here another two component will be here, na? For this half is cos 60 degree, and for this half is cos 60 degree. So total how much resultant for this? HR H plus half H is cos 60 degree plus half cos 60 degree, and hence we will be getting 1.5 H, that means 3 by 2 H will be getting. Clear? And it is a symmetric point, na? It is omega t at 90 degree. It is a symmetric point. Suppose any arbitrary point, if we consider any arbitrary point here, let's take any arbitrary point, omega t equal to 110. Okay, let's. So at omega t 110, omega HA will be getting 0.935 H, HB minus 0.173 H, and AC 0.7 in this instant. Okay. Now we are taking this reference. So this is a reference, na? H, this one A. So if HB is negative, so in this way B, in this way C. Okay. So at this here, in the same way, the angle between this and this will be 60 degree, and this will be 60 degree. So here you will be getting one component, and here another component will be getting. Okay. So this mass component how much? 0.1736 cos 9, that means sine 60 degree. So here how much? 1.5 H in this way, in this direction, and this way how much will be? For this component we are dividing into two, horizontal component and vertical component. So this one horizontal, this one vertical. Vertical one 0.766 that means 0.766 sine 60 degree. Clear? So how much we will be getting? 0.6638. Now here 0.6638. So here how much component will be there available? This and this, the opposite force are there. So this component, this much will be available, 0.512. Okay, and for this one component will be there, for this another component will be there. So in this direction 3 component will be there, that will be, we can simply add up. So if we add up these things, how much we will be getting? 0.173 cos 0.1736 cos 60 degree, that means 0.0868, and for this 0.766 cos 60 degree, that means 0.383 plus for this 0.9356. So how much? This will be the horizontal component and this will be the vertical component. Vertical component how much? Vertical component how much? We got this one 0.512 H, and vertical point, if we got sum these 3, what will be the result? 868 plus 0.383 plus 0.9351. So the result is 1.40, 1.4049 something. Now what will be the resultant? Resultant is nothing but the vertical square plus horizontal under root of vertical square and under root square. So how much will be getting? This is square plus 0.1512 square, that means how much will be getting? Almost 1.4952 H. Okay, so vertical component is this one and horizontal component is this one. Okay, so the final resultant will be this one. Almost what? Almost resultant is 3/2 H. Okay, so this component also will be rotating. This resultant component is also rotating. Okay, that's why we are getting the rotating magnetic field, and the instantaneous value of this H, the resultant, will be 3/2 H sine omega t. Okay, sine omega t, because where it will be, we can simply say where it will be this with that angle. What will be the angle? You can simply present here. How you can present? At this instant. At this instant, what? If at omega t equal to 0, if you see, simply see omega t, at omega t equal to 0, HA equal to 0, HB how much? HB sine minus 120 degree. Clear? Minus 3/2 H AC equal to sine 120 degree. Sine 120 degree root 3/2 H. So see, here it was HA, it was 0, HB, how much? HC, this one is HB, HC. Actually HB means how much? This one, because this is negative value, root 3 by 2 H, but HC here itself 3 by 2 H. Now this one 60 degree and this how much angle? This and this total 120 degree. So here in between this and this, how much angle? This 60 degree, and between this also 60 degree. So what will be the resultant for this and this? And anyway we will be getting resultant in this way. Resultant how much we will be getting? Square A square B square plus 2AB into cos between angle theta in this way. So how much we will be getting? Same, how much we will be getting? Root 3 by that means 3 by 2 H. Okay, now what will be the angle between this resultant and this angle will be the resultant angle. Okay, so simply if the resultant H, that means angle will be 3 2 by H, and angle, if the reference is that one omega t, so the angle between this and this will be sine omega t plus theta, that means plus theta, it is leading. Okay, that angle will be, this is the equation. Clear? So I think now it will be the clear also. With this explanation it should be clear. Basically for Mayuk it should be clear now. Okay, so this thing. Okay, thank you.